QYSEA FIFISH E-Master. The QYSEA FIFISH E-Master is a cutting-edge industrial AI underwater robot tailored for surveyors, engineers, environmental scientists, and marine researchers. Built to perform in harsh marine environments, it excels in turbulent waters, resisting currents of up to 5.5 kilometers per hour. Equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning capabilities, the robot navigates autonomously while conducting high-precision measurements and real-time seafloor scans. Its innovative ultra-wide-angle camera provides a 176-degree surface view and a 146-degree underwater panoramic perspective, ensuring unparalleled visual coverage. Operators can capture stunning 4K video and illuminate the depths with powerful 10,000 lumen LED lights. The FIFISH E-Master is an invaluable tool for research, inspections, and data collection in challenging underwater conditions. MeRCURY. Experience the future of underwater exploration with MeRCURY, a cutting-edge diving mask that doubles as a waterproof virtual reality headset. Designed by Nite, this device combines virtual reality with aquatic adventures, letting users explore virtual seabeds while submerged in real water. Its Android-powered, user-friendly interface supports a display resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels and a 100-degree field of view. The internal bone conduction speaker enhances the experience with immersive soundtracks. You can breathe easily through the tube and enjoy up to 4 hours of usage on a single charge. Priced at 1,010, MeRCURY brings the ocean closer, blending technology and nature seamlessly. Smaco S700MAX. The Smaco S700MAX is a revolutionary hybrid between a scuba tank and a travel backpack. Designed for convenience and mobility. Featuring a sleek design, this system combines a double scuba tank with a BackPro buoyancy control device, making it an excellent choice for travel and underwater exploration. With a spacious storage compartment for essentials, the S700MAX easily transitions into professional diving gear. Its two 2-liter cylinders provide an average dive time of 30 to 45 minutes, offering ample opportunity for underwater adventures. Measuring just 42 by 24 centimeters, it is compact yet capable. This innovative diving solution can be yours for $800, delivering exceptional functionality for both travel and aquatic exploration. SeeDeep Diving Optics. For divers with poor eyesight, SeeDeep Diving Optics offers a game-changing solution. Developed by Yosar Unal, these removable underwater glasses ensure crystal-clear views of the ocean's wonders. Designed to fit any type of diving mask, the optics attach easily, just like regular glasses. Adjustable for comfort, they feature scratch-resistant polycarbonate lenses available in a diopter range of +1 to +2.5. The durable frame options include steel, aluminum, or titanium, catering to diverse preferences. Priced at just $72, SeeDeep Diving Optics makes underwater exploration accessible and enjoyable for everyone, bringing the intricate beauty of the ocean into sharp focus. SUEX 77. The SUEX 77, also known as the Goldfinder, is an advanced underwater scooter built for technical and professional divers by the Italian company SUEX. Available in 2 models, the XK and XJ, this high-performance vehicle is ideal for exploring underwater caves and expansive depths. Powered by a robust 1,240 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, the Goldfinder delivers an impressive runtime of up to 330 minutes at cruising speed. Weighing 25 kilograms, it can dive to a depth of 200 meters and operates effortlessly in temperatures ranging from 35 to 5 degrees Celsius. With a top speed of 100 meters per minute, the Goldfinder offers unmatched mobility. For For those seeking even greater power, the optional Gemini system allows divers to link two scooters, doubling their thrust and enhancing the underwater experience. Sublue Underwater Scooter. The Sublue Whiteshark Tini is a budget-friendly underwater scooter priced at $330, offering features that rival more expensive models. Its standout modular design allows it to operate solo at speeds of up to 1.4 meters per second, or be linked with up to 4 units for a maximum speed of 2.8 meters per second. Weighing just 3 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The Whiteshark Tini delivers 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge and can dive to depths of up to 20 meters. Compact, versatile, and fun, this scooter is perfect for underwater explorers seeking both performance and affordability. DIVEROID. The DIVEROID underwater case, priced at $120, is perfect for underwater photography. It supports 4K video recording via a mobile app and works with any smartphone. Made from polycarbonate and tempered glass, it handles depths of up to 15 meters effortlessly. Combining durability, affordability, and ease of use, DIVEROID is ideal for capturing stunning underwater moments. Smartphone Mobile Mini Dome. For breathtaking split photos that showcase life above and below the water, the Smartphone Mobile Mini Dome is your go-to accessory. Designed to fit smartphones with screens up to 7 inches, its unique dome-shaped design ensures clarity and precision in your shots. This waterproof case can dive up to 6 meters, making it ideal for snorkeling or shallow underwater exploration. At just $39, it includes compatibility with standard action camera handles, offering convenience and versatility.